Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ankita, and I welcome you all into this introductory session on artificial intelligence. In this session, we're going to see that what is artificial intelligence and what are some applications that we use in real life. We will also find out how it is helping the industry, the software industry, and the automation industry to generate more and more jobs and what kind of job roles it has to provide us. In the end, we will see how we can start learning artificial intelligence and find out a roadmap to achieve our dreams. Now, you must have known that artificial intelligence is one of the most trending technology in the industry currently. Now, whenever we hear about this term, that is AI or artificial intelligence, we think of robot, smart computers, humanoids such as Sophia and Mitra robot, and some people still imagine it as shown in the movies. Some graduates or some students must know about the concept of artificial intelligence but don't know how to implement that. So before moving on onto the implementation, let's see what is the definition of artificial intelligence or AI. So if I talk about the terminology artificial intelligence, it is made up of two words, that is artificial and intelligence. Now artificial means non-natural or human made, and the intelligence can be the ability to acquire knowledge or to apply a skill on a particular task. Now if I talk about the human intelligence, it is the ability of humans to acquire knowledge. Now we talk to people, we meet people, we observe them. Whenever somebody asks us any question or any query, we respond to them by understanding their tone of speech and observing their question. Now, according to the situation, we take our decisions. This real time action taking ability of human is known to be the intelligence, and the science of implementing this ability artificially is called as the artificial intelligence. Now let's briefly see what is the definition of artificial intelligence. It is the science of simulation of human intelligence in a machine or a computer program. It is an encapsulation of human like behavior into a machine where it can act like a human, mimic their actions from simpler one to the complex ones such as learning and problem solving, and training the machines to do or perform a human like traits such as learning and applying the knowledge is called as the implementation of artificial intelligence. Now the question arises that how does we implement the intelligence into a computer or into a computer program? You must have been known about the concept of machine learning, where the machine or the computer programs along with the algorithm, it takes the data as the input or the experiences and learns from it. It predicts the outcome based on the data, and based on that outcome it takes the decision or apply that particular knowledge on any new situation, or you can say on a new data. Now every time it encounters any new experience, it improves with that experience, it learns from the experience and it improves with that experience. Now this is the whole concept of machine learning, which is also a subset of artificial intelligence, and we can also say that artificial intelligence is an application of machine learning. Now there is also a concept of deep learning, which mainly based on the neural network for solving more and more complex problems. Now let's find out that what made the artificial intelligence to exist, or what made the researchers to build such a complex system in which it has to make a computer program to work or act like a human brain. The directed automation, which means automation as per the directions given by the humans. Now computers always act instructions given by the humans, and the application of artificial intelligence here makes the machine to perform a task smartly, although as per the human requirement, which made the human life much easier than ever before. Now, sometimes it seems to be difficult for us to see through some ideas or some kind of errors during the project implementation. Machine examines everything and tells whether there is any error or any feature left to be observed. Without actually implementing the task, we need to examine the risk, and artificial intelligence helps us in examining the risk or risk assessment or lowering the risk of a particular project. With the help of AI's decision making ability, we can actually lower the risk of our project. Now, spending less time on coding. Now, as a machine can learn from themselves and are capable enough to make decision on themselves, we don't need to explicitly code them for every situation, which provides the user more flexible and fluid experiences. And the most important factor of artificial intelligence is the personalization, or you can say the customization. My machine or my application should work according to me, because for every customer has different perceptions, different choices of personalization, and which is the important factor in the industry. And without the help of artificial intelligence, it becomes difficult to treat each customer according to their preferences. Now, for most of the people, artificial intelligence may seem as a new technology, but the surprise fact is it was introduced during the era of first programming language to come into the existence. Now, if we talk about the history of AI, the first work of artificial intelligence was introduced as the proposal of artificial neural network, leading to the connection of two neurons in 1949. In 1950, Alan Turing created a Turing test to check the ability of a machine to exhibit the human intelligence. In 1955, the first AI program was written named as the Logic Theorist. And finally, in 1956, John McCarthy introduces the term artificial intelligence, and AI was termed as the field of studies first time. Now let's talk about the history of artificial intelligence in some other session. Let me move towards some of the most amazing application of artificial intelligence that we use in our daily life. After the second winter era of AI, it soon started to expand in so many industrial sector, including automation, finance, businesses, medical fields also. Not only that, developing countries such as US, Europe, India, it is using artificial intelligence in agriculture, transportation, and education system also. Even we as a human use artificial intelligence in our day-to-day routine. Every person associated with the technology uses AI in an indirected or any directed means. Let's talk about each application of AI one by one. Has been widely used in the finance as well as the education sectors. If I talk about the finance and the business industry, it is used for filtering the information, trading, investing, banking, and fraud detection. And in education system also, AI has been used to perform so many administrative tasks such as evaluation of marks, smart attendances. Recently, China has launched the smart attendance to make the workflow easier of keeping the records of each student. Smart content, artificial intelligence having the grammatical power, which just helps to design the textbooks, customize the books according to the student. And with the help of the personalized tutors, students can get the help of their customized teachers as well. As the era changes, the technology changes drastically. The technology is moving on the wheels. And let's talk about some of the applications of artificial intelligence in the automobile, that is the mechanical industry also. We must have heard about the Tesla's autopilot, which is a self-driving car. So many big giant industries such as IBM Watson, BMW, they are moving ahead to develop their own self-driving cars. Not only that, artificial intelligence is widely used in the automation industry in fault diagnosis and fault detections, mechanical robots, auto parking and condition monitoring, also reporting of the equipments in the mechanical stores or mechanical workshops. In the construction industry, which consumes the 7% of the world population, the safety of the laborers is so much important. Nearly $3 billion were invested on the construction safety at construction sites. So how is construction industry using artificial intelligence? With the help of AI robots and automatic machineries, the risk of the labor accidents can be reduced. The designing of 3D modeling, the project planning, preventing or predicting the cost of the project and preventing the cost of overruns and generating design alternatives in project planning is implemented can be implemented by using the artificial intelligence in the construction industry. Also plays a vital role in the support to the healthcare industries as well, from protecting the privacy of the patient reports to the remote patient monitoring. Healthcare offers the biggest potential over the next 5 years for using artificial intelligence, said Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google and Alphabet. Recently, by using the artificial intelligence models, it is possible to detect the cases of coronavirus within just a span of 20 seconds with 96% of the accuracy just by analyzing the CT scan of a patient. So many tech leaders are interested in this technology and are investing their amounts on the startups based on the artificial intelligence, such as Google Brains, Google Assistant, Photos, Google Cars, Google Clouds, and for Apple it is Siri, Apple's AI camera, Apple Watches, Replica, HomePod. You must have heard about the Microsoft HoloLenses, mixed reality, and Cortana that we use in our Windows system. Again, the Facebook's auto face detection project, that is Facebook's deep face, FB chatbots, mapping population density, detecting bad content, that is the sentiment analysis on Facebook. With the help of IBM Watson and AI discovery, BMW has launched its own smart car. With the increase in the effect of artificial intelligence on the growth of different industry, we can say that artificial intelligence is going to create so many jobs in the near future. These are some of the facts to give the definition to my words. Artificial intelligence market is projected to become a $150 trillion industry by 2025. By 2020, AI will eliminate nearly 1.8 million jobs, but it has created the 2.3 million jobs as well. According to the Accenture research, AI has the potential to boost rates of profitability by the average of 38% by 2035 and lead to an economic boost of $14 trillion across 16 industries in 12 economies. The worldwide spending on cognitive AI system is forecasted to reach $77.6 billion in 2022 according to IDC spending, and will reach to 93.9 billion in 2023. AI has to offer so many different job roles for the developers, that is the data scientist or the research analyst or the data analyst, software developers or the software analysts, game and simulation specialists, which uses the artificial intelligence in the creation of games, AI and machine learning developers, graphic designers by using the artificial intelligence softwares, humanoid developer or robot developer, mechanical and maintenance technicians with the help of deep learning expertise, medical health profession which uses the field of artificial intelligence in the healthcare sector. So let us see what are the different requirements to learn artificial intelligence. First of all, you need to know a programming language. Now there are so many programming languages which will help you to implement the artificial intelligence, but each language has its own application. Depending on the application, you need to choose your favorite language. Then you require the skill of machine learning. Again, you need some small mathematics, that is the statistical mathematics, and a brain to apply onto your program. If you briefly examine the syllabus of AI, you will see the distribution of fundamentals of AI and ML, data visualization and data management, some sort of statistical thinking, then the predictive analysis, which is nothing but the machine learning algorithms, then 20% of machine learning, 20% of AI, and then business case studies. Steps towards learning the artificial intelligence. The first step is learning the programming, then getting a course on artificial intelligence, do lots and lots of projects, get certified, get a best internship, and apply for a job. At the end, you can be able to accomplish your dreams on artificial intelligence and creating your world for the betterment of an advanced society. Thank you so much. This is the introductory part of artificial intelligence. Hope you have learned something new from this session. Thank you so much.